Hello guys, my name is Gozier. This video I will show you how to place a trade, how to add pairs to your MT5, place a trade, set your TP and stop loss. To this bar, if your own is not showing like this, go to this bar, these quotes, so that it will be showing like this. We only have US 30 and GBP, JPY. We'll be adding more pairs. All right. So let's add BTC. BTC, you click plus button, BTC USD. You click the plus button, it will be added. Here you can see BTC. Then let's add GBP USD. You click the plus button, it will be added. All right, that's cool. So let's still add Euro USD. Yeah, that's cool. So we will be using GBP JPY for example to show you how it will work. We will enter trade now on GBP JPY in front of you here so that you will see how you will be going to enter a trade. Then click GBP JPY, you click trade. It will take you to this interface. Here you will add your lot size, and remember your lot size is according to your equity, according to your account size. Okay, so before entering your lot size, consult your mentor so that it will tell you the lot size that will suit to your account size. Or kindly go to inforex.com, inforex.com. That will give you the lot size that will suit to your account size. So you have seen here, I use 0.1 lot, just mini lot to show you how it work. I'm adding my stop loss here, 192.862. Here I'm adding my TP, 195.602. Okay, you click buy. All right, so you have seen that this is US 30 chart. So let's go to the chart we entered. This is GBP JPY. Let's go to the chart of GBP JPY. Click GBP JPY, click chart. Then it will take you to GBP JPY chart. This is GBP JPY chart. You have seen the order we entered. You just click the order and modify your SL. So let's go back to this place so that you know how I really do it. Okay, you are not going to miss anything in this video. All right, so I will take you back the way I did it so that you will well understand how to do it by yourself. So right here in front of you, how to adjust your TP or stop or SL. SL means stop loss, while TP means take profit. Okay, if you want to adjust your SL, just click you can still add your SL and TP with the same method. Just click the order you place. You can see the order is showing here. This is the order we place, 0.1 lot, showing right here. You click it. Once you click it, the icon will pop up, SL and TP with the arrow button here. So you have seen that I'm adjusting my SL to this area 20. You click the blue arrow and modify. You will still do the same thing in TP. Click it and adjust your TP to anywhere you want it to be. You have seen that we are risking $27 in this trade to make $154. Okay, you click the same arrow and it will take you to modify. You go ahead and hit modify button and your order will be modified. Okay, I will still show you how to place a trade right here in your chart. Okay, um because you have seen that in the same pattern, the way you modify your SL, you still modify your TP by clicking the arrow here. By clicking this arrow here, all right, it will take you to modify. This blue arrow, it will take you to modify. Okay, so after dragging it to where you want it to be, you click it, click the blue arrow, hit the modification button to be modified. All right, so here I will show you how to place a trade in chart like this. All right, without you going to your quotes to select the pairs you're trading. You just After selecting the pairs you're trading, you just click this red and blue bar here, this box you are seeing here, this box. You click it, it will show you buy and sell here. All right, but if you have not used it before, they will tell you to accept their terms and conditions, which you will still see in this video, because I deactivate mine so that you will see it in this video. You will see how it will work. Here is where you will add your lot size. Okay, lot size, just the way you did in the other side. So this is where you can add your lot size according to your account size, just the way you did in the other side. All right, so I'm adding zero point 0.1 lots. Click trade. It will show you here to accept the terms and condition. So you accept the terms and condition. Go back again and click trade and click buy. All right, here is buy, here is sell. You click buy. We are already in a buy now. You click the order you placed. So after clicking the order you placed, this will pop up close order, sell, and this will pop up telling you, are you going to close the order, or are you going to place a stop loss TP? Here you can do any function you want, or you want to close the trade, you can still close the trade from here. Okay, so now what we are going to do is to click the SL. So we click the SL and drag our SL to anywhere we want it to be. So we are risking $23 in this trade. Okay, you click the blue arrow, click modify. You have seen it there. You do the same thing by clicking the trade. You click TP. This TP means take profit. You take your, now we are taking our green bar here, our green line now. This is our TP line. We are taking it to where we want our TP to be. All right, let's target to 147. Then you click the same blue arrow here and click modify. Your order will be automatically modified. All right, and everything will be set. Where market goes against you, we stop here in $23. When it goes to your favor, you will gained $147. Okay, this is a two position we are. All right, so this is how it work. We are done for now. Peace and love. We will see in the next video.